Concerns over Karnataka's ongoing special intensive revision of electoral rolls have prompted the Congress to seek greater transparency in the process. Congress MLC and KPCC Media and Communication Department Chairman Ramesh Babu wrote to the Karnataka Chief Electoral Officer requesting clear guidelines on how elected representatives can interact with booth-level officers during the voter roll revision exercise. In the letter, written on behalf of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, Babu said MPs, MLAs and MLCs regularly receive complaints from citizens regarding voter registration, non-receipt of enumeration forms, omissions in electoral rolls and other difficulties. He urged the Election Commission to facilitate structured interactions between elected representatives and PLOs so that such issues can be addressed effectively. He said the interactions should remain strictly to administrative and voter service matters to ensure that BLOs continue to function in a completely non-partisan manner. Babu also sought a dedicated grievance redressal mechanism through electoral registration officers and assistant electoral registration officers. According to him, these measures would improve transparency, strengthen public confidence in the voter roll revision process, and help ensure that no eligible voter is left out.